At Lonza Capsugel, our purpose is clear: to enable a healthier world. We advance oral dosage delivery by helping pharmaceutical companies make therapies more effective, accessible, and scalable. Driven by innovation, we apply expertise in dosage formulation, research, materials technology, and advanced manufacturing. This enables the rapid design, testing, and optimization of new platforms. Drawing on our state-of-the-art Innovaform Accelerator, polymer science, and equipment labs, we formulate, personalize, and manufacture bespoke solutions to help bring new therapies to life. Our portfolio covers every stage of drug development, with PCcaps for preclinical and DBcaps for clinical trials. From our bilayered acid-resistant Capsugel Enprotect capsules, to ethically sourced gelatin capsules and plant-based HPMC capsules like Capsugel Vcaps Plus, our products help overcome diverse challenges. Beyond oral delivery, our Capsugel Zephyr inhalation capsules create new possibilities in respiratory therapies, supported by our complete development and manufacturing expertise in dry powder inhaler drug products. With quality integrated throughout the supply chain and certified compliance, we deliver consistency in every capsule. Through our exceptional customer service and quality control systems, we empower partners to innovate with confidence, designing excellence into everything we do. With our expertise, we help regulators to set standards of quality in pharma manufacturing. With this regulatory knowledge, pharma leaders trust Lonza Capsugel to help them innovate globally and manage risk. Globally, we're reducing water use, cutting emissions, and supporting education, health, and equity. As part of our commitment to acting responsibly and with accountability, production is powered by 100% renewable electricity at our sites in Puebla, Bornem, Colmar, and Suzhou. Deep expertise and trusted products can reach you on a global scale, supported by local manufacturing sites in key regions. We also offer you drug product development and manufacturing, clinical and commercial packaging, and controlled substance handling, all designed to accelerate drug development and commercialization. Let's turn life-changing ideas into reality together.